So first off, just a little disclaimer. I may quite possibly have kind of sort of mentioned that I was not even interested in this item. And then after filming that video, I changed my mind and I went and bought that item. Oops. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and you're watching Miss Kiki's Curls. So as you have seen from the title, this is a luxury unboxing. This is an item that I kind of mentioned that I wasn't really interested in, and then I thought about it a little more and I was like, well, I'm kind of interested in it, and that little bit of interest just like took over, and I decided I might as well order it, might as well see what it's all about and decide which one I like better. If you didn't see that video and you don't know what I'm talking about, it's the Cardholder Recto Verso. My past video, I unboxed the Cardholder Recto Verso in the monogram, which I love. I love her, and I think I'm gonna keep her. That same week or maybe a couple days after filming that video, the new colors came in and I knew they were coming out. But I also thought they might like go like that. So I didn't want to get my hopes up high, didn't even want to think about that. But then I had the opportunity to purchase this item. It was in stock and I had kind of had like one eye on it. So I decided to take the plunge, purchase it, and that way I could compare and see which Recto Verso I like best. So this is going to be the unboxing of the Recto Verso Damier Ebene with the rose ballerina interior. They also have one that has like the red interior, but I was a little more interested in the pink. However, now that I just said that to you guys, I feel like I'm a little interested in the red. So who knows? Next week might be an unboxing of that one. If you guys would like to see my unboxing of the Cardholder Recto Verso in the rose ballerine and Damier Ebene combination, then let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, we have our trusty box. Thought I showed my address. I don't know why I'm so concerned. Like, nobody's probably gonna stalk me, like, but this is the back of the box. This is the front of the box, and then we have our trusty little pull tab, so let's do that. As always, it opens up with the Louis Vuitton there, the adhesive liner, in case you do need to send it back. I think in my last video, it was between the Victorine and the Recto Verso. Yes, thank you guys for your input. I did make my decision, and then I unmade it, and yeah, and we're here. So that is the inside. We do have the box with the ribbon, and then we do have our receipt and like return information. So I will open this in case you guys haven't seen any of my other videos. There is like a little card that says thank you for shopping Louis Vuitton. You're welcome. Just taking all my money. There is this information on exchanges and returns and how you would go about doing that. You can exchange in store, you can call client services, and then returns, you just drop it off at a UPS store. Like I said, the box does have the adhesive, so you already have your box to like send stuff back. That is return label, and then of course our actual receipt. So we have Cardholder Recto Verso, and this was purchased on February 9th, which is literally a day after my birthday, which means that it was like 5 days after my last video went up, I believe, or after I filmed my last video. So yeah, because I think I checked and it wasn't in stock initially, and then it went into stock, and curiosity killed the cat. I had to give it a try, guys. Sorry, not sorry. So this is the box that it comes in. Let's go ahead and undo the ribbon. I hate doing this because I can never put it back like that. She need a little WD-40. All right, so once you open the box, that is what the dust bag looks like. We have Louis Vuitton there. It just flips open, and then we pull, I always struggle with this. We pull out the wallet. Ooh, I really like it. This is cute. All right, so this is what it looks like from the front. So it has the lovely Damier Ebene, which is just like the brown checked print. It does have that nice V in the front with the little snap pocket. You already noticed the rose ballerina on the button there. And then it opens up to that beautiful pink interior. Very cute. Louis Vuitton Paris right there. And then right behind that pocket is the little zipper compartment that zips like halfway. Inside of that compartment, we do have the little keychain part. And then whenever you look inside, just that beautiful pink interior, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then on the back actually has the card holder section. So right in front of those, it does have the little like product sticker, which looks like that. And then information on the coated fabric and the leather trim. And this is what the back looks like. So same thing, it does have the 3 card holders here, and then it has the little like bigger pocket where you could fit more than 1 card there. And that is what she's looking like. So just looking at her, she is very cute. I have the Alma BB in Damier Ebene with the red interior. I feel like that looks really nice together. Like the red and the brown is a great contrast. But looking at this, I actually feel like the pink and the Damier Ebene looks really nice together too. So I'm a little stuck. I think she's a cute piece. Guys, now I don't know what to do. I've been liking the regular Recto Verso, but she's really cute too. And then I'm like, which one is better? Which one should I keep? Should I keep them both? Do you have a concern, you know, same thing about that coated button? I think it's really cute. I think it's really beautiful. However, I don't want to get a product that I have to be like concerned about, worried about, thinking about, is it going to get messed up, having to be so careful. Like I want to just enjoy my pieces and like live my life. So that is the only concern, which I guess kind of weighs heavily on my decision. I need your help. I'm going to grab the regular one and just hold them up, and we'll do like a little comparison color wise. This is the original Recto Verso. This is the new and improved. No, I don't know about new and improved, but this is the new colorway of the Recto Verso, just one of the 2 colors that came out. So this is the front for both of them. And then this is the back. Sorry, I kept that part out. So just initial like thinking about what would work for me in my life. This one is definitely just more like where I would not have to worry, more carefree. It has the darker fabric. I wouldn't have to be super careful with it. And it's more like a classic. This one is super cute. I feel like she's more fun, like a little more personality, kind of funky with like the 2 colors, and also really cute and girly. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Gosh, I didn't think this was going to be such a hard decision. Like I thought I was going to go for this one, but now should this just be like a treat yourself moment, and should I keep them both? Or should I see if I can get the red one? I also feel like they're literally the exact same like card holder thing, but they look so different, which is why I'm like, maybe I need them both in my life. I don't know, guys. My mind's all over the place. But let me know down below which one you prefer. Let me know also which one you think would work better for me. But yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. I definitely rambled a little bit too much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful if you have been debating getting this item. And if you have this item, comment down below. Let me know which one you have, how you like it. And like I have said 5 billion gazillion million times, comment down below and please tell me which one to keep. Or let me know down below if you think I should order the red one and do an unboxing, the Damier Ebene with the red, and do an unboxing and then like make a final decision, because I might kind of be up to that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Just want to throw this out there. Today is my fiance's birthday. I'm actually recording this Thursday. It'll go live on Friday. God willing, there's no technical difficulties. But if you feel like, you know, spamming the comment section and wishing him a happy birthday, that would be great. He would love that. Don't even know if he's watching this video, but if y'all spam it up, I will make sure he watches this video and sees all those comments. Also, guys, I do want to do a giveaway soon. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, gotten some good views, and I want to thank you guys for all of that, all of your love and support. So let me know down below as well what kind of a giveaway I should do, what you guys would like to get. Okay? Anyways, now I will really end this video. Bye!